Alchemy and Infura are both popular choices for providing reliable and scalable RPC, also known as remote procedure call, endpoints for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. While both offer similar core functionalities, there are key differences that make one a better fit for your specific need. Infura is known for its ease of use and extensive documentation, making it a popular choice for beginners. It offers a wide range of services, including access to various Ethereum networks, IPFS integration, and a user friendly dashboard for monitoring usage. However, Infura's focus on Ethereum might limit its appeal for developers working with other blockchains. Alchemy, on the other hand, stands out for its advanced features and robust infrastructure. It provides a more comprehensive suite of tools, including a powerful debugger, analytics dashboards, and integrations with popular Web3 development frameworks. Alchemy also offers support for multiple blockchains, making it a more versatile option for developers working across different ecosystems. Ultimately, the best choice between Alchemy and Infura depends on your specific requirements. If you're primarily focused on Ethereum development and value ease of use and comprehensive documentation, Infura might be a good fit. However, if you need advanced features, multi-blockchain support, and a more robust infrastructure, Alchemy might be a better option. It is important to consider your project's needs, budget, and long term goals when making your decision.